So my favorite faculty is Mrs. Shoma Mukherjee. She is the most humble person I have ever met. She sees the good in the students and she always motivates the students to become too efficient in life.
My favorite faculty is Ratan sir. So he has always motivated us and especially me from day one to excel in life and to take every opportunity very seriously, and I think that's the reason we are here.
Faculty is Neerja ma'am because she has been a very great support in the college for me, and she's really helped me to understand what I want to do.
My favorite faculty is Ratan sir and Neerja ma'am. They always motivated me, and they were a combination of sweet and spicy. So sometimes when they had to scold us, they did, and when they had to,
My favorite faculty is Shoma ma'am. Motivated us, taught us really well.
I just love this college, all the faculty, staff, crowd, campus, and I just love everything about it. The way teachers support, the way curriculum is designed, and way the college function, I just love it.
I would say the culture and the way the whole synergy is created here, and the energy that it provides, and the whole variety of disciplines that it imbibes in its students. That's one of the things I love most about this place.
So what do you guys miss most about the college life?
Hi, this is Neharika. What I miss about the college is the environment, the faculty, obviously the building.
All the support we have received from the faculty throughout our college life and even afterwards, we really miss it, and it's like a second home, and happy to be back.
So hi guys. So how was your placement experience?
Really good. We had different kind of interviews, different kinds of companies in sectors like marketing, finance. So we got good opportunity in terms of placement.
It actually gave a wide experience because we were like specialized. We were having dual specialization. So there were companies in different area. So like marketing, finance, HR, etc. So it was a good experience overall.
So I'm asking you a random question. What was your experience while having a group projects?
To be honest, my group projects were very good. Like it was a very good team building exercise, and it's helping me in the corporate world a lot because you need to work with different people, different sets, unknowns. So it was a first-hand experience over here, especially with the other sections people. So yeah, it was a great experience, and DSP really made the person I am.
What do you love most about DSP?
Most about DSP.
Like the faculty was nice, and
Faculty and the friends that I found here, to be honest, that was good.
Yeah.
And in terms of education, the quality of education that we got here, it was excellent.
Yeah.
We got to learn a lot. It has been a good experience.
Otherwise, also like with that, besides education, the overall extracurricular activities also that we did, that also added a lot. It's not just about what you learn in the classroom, but also what you do on the practical side, the internships and the placements. So yeah, overall it was a very good experience.
I am Rohit. What's your name?
Shivangi.
So Shivangi, I wanted to ask you, who do you think is the coolest faculty in DSB?
Anytime it's Neerja ma'am.
Okay, why do you think Neerja ma'am is the coolest?
She has been with me and she's the coolest faculty I've ever seen. Yeah.
Thank you. Any other faculty that you like?
I like everyone, including Ratan sir, Shoma ma'am. Everyone is good, but the coolest one is Neerja ma'am anytime.
Okay, so Neerja ma'am is the coolest faculty. Thank you. Thank you, Shivangi. So we all know Neerja ma'am is the coolest faculty.
DSB ने मतलब हमें काफ़ी कुछ सिखाया है. आज हम जहाँ कहीं भी हैं उन्हीं की वजह से जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बिल्डअप हुआ है, आई थिंक वो DSB की वजह से.
And the footfall that we had, the people that we invited, the guests that came here. I mean, people from all over the place. I mean, absolutely, it was at par with one of the events that happens in the University of Delhi. So actually, it was a great experience there.
And we were the second batch of DSB.
I want to know which is your favorite subject.
So it has to be the finance subject with Ram sir, because he used to give a lot of lectures and in fact insights of the finance, and also some funny things which are like closely related to the laws of the previous business and now in the changing stock markets. His jokes were completely different. They were all about stocks, markets, and a lot of crubbing about Indian markets, because he is a person who wants to be like a free kind of trader. He doesn't like foundations. So we used to enjoy, and we also used to have our lunch in his lectures. Yeah, and he was totally fine with that.
Wow, that's really nice. And what about you?
Probably it would be, I guess, Gaurav sir in the initial years of our MBA, PGDM basically. So the Excel was one thing that we used to basically do everything.
under the lights. And after that, probably supply chain. Who was the professor? I don't remember his name.
Yeah, he was a guest faculty.
Guest faculty. He used to come from IIT Delhi. So that is the second person who used to give us some really good thoughts on supply chain and everything.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
Which faculty is the coolest faculty?
It has to be Ratan sir, because when we get like bored, he completely shows a cool attitude and asks us, "Is it getting boring?" When we say yes, it is a little bit. Then he cracks jokes, or he asks us to crack some jokes. Then we again start our classes, and that's how we maintain the like coolest environment of the class.
What about you?
Back to basics. Simple as that.
Okay, thank you.
So I really miss doing that again, and I miss my college also right now.
So, what's something you miss about the college right now?
Right now, I'm missing the breaks that we had in between classes. Like we used to come to the canteen to have coffee in winters. So at home, we are just sitting like that. I mean, there's no routine, proper routine. So I miss that routine that we had in college. And obviously my friends, we used to see each other regularly. So that's missing now.
Friends are always the most missed part about the college life.
Yeah.
So, who is your favorite faculty?
I would say Sorendra sir was my favorite because he conducted a retest just for me, because I come from like 35 kilometers away.
Didn't attend that.
Yeah, so yeah, that was my favorite faculty. But yeah, I liked Ratan sir as well, and Sanjay sir was also good. He was very fond of me, maybe. So yeah, that's why.
So, did you have any expectations when you came first time to the college? Like, what were you looking for?
Well, talking about the expectations, I was a little nervous when I came to the college, but as I completed my BBA from it, I thought it would be similar. But the experience was completely different, as I liked MBA as it was more of a professional program for us. So yes, overall it was a great experience, but in starting I was a little nervous.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
According to me, it would be Ratan sir. He was so cool, and while teaching, I really enjoyed the class.
My mentor was Sorendra sir, and it was a great experience being his mentee. And he was very cool, and he was very supportive as a mentor.
First batch is always special, you know.
Yes.
One of the best memories we had.
Ratan sir was with us.
NUS. It was amazing. It was amazing.
Whenever we think about whips, we miss everything.
Whenever we go through this flyover, we miss this place.
We used to play cricket here in this ground. So यहाँ पे building बना दी.
I miss Indra ma'am a lot.
Yeah, Indra.
Finance.
Indra Bhardwaj.
So, I can say that the teachers of faculty here was very good, and we miss the mentorship. You know, when we get to the corporates, so we lack the mentorship we ignited. So the teachers is always guided us. So you can say that we miss the mentorship of our teachers.
I miss mostly the faculty of HR, because they were so experienced and we enjoyed very much while teaching, while gaining knowledge from them. So it was a good experience.
Do you think is coolest faculty?
Shoma ma'am.
Why do you think?
जब वो कूल बनती है ना तो
She entertained the
मजा आ जाता है. क्लास जैसे वो क्लास चलाती है ना, मजा आ जाता है. मतलब एक नंबर.
Oh, Ratan sir.
Yeah, Ratan sir and Atul sir.
Atul sir.
Yeah, Ratan sir is very cool.
Even
Every
Gaurav
faculty
sir.
is cool, yeah.
And what about you? Which faculty?
Same, everybody's.
Sharad sir.
Mentorship. What you learned about? What you liked about mentorship sessions?
First, we were given Sharad sir. I was allotted Sharad sir. He guided me very well, and that's why I'm here in marketing field of corporate.
That's great. Thank you.
Give a big clap, please. Directors, faculty, colleagues, staff, students sitting here.
It was so nice to hear that all your dots that you gave us, they all came to work. So
Rabindranath Tagore. Come on, we'll dance together. बहुत अच्छा है ये को
ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਬੂ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਨੀਲੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਰਗੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਫੇਸ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਕੁੜੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਟੇਡਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਕੁੜੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਕਾਲਾ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਤੂੰ ਬਸ ਕੋਰੀ ਕੋਰੀ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਲਾਇਆ ਮੈਂ ਪਿੱਤਲ ਦੀ ਗੋਲੀ ਏ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਕਿਨੇ ਸੁਭਾਅ ਹੋ ਜੂਗਾ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਜੋ ਬਰਚੀਨੀ ਨੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਮਿੱਠਲ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ ਦਾਦੀ